Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a very short program about detecting uppercase or lowercase letters that you type in at standard input. So I'm going to start off with the subroutine. But before we start, make sure as always you hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much for doing that and supporting this channel. Okay, we're going to call this subroutine upper and lower. Okay, so we're going to print enter text. Okay, and we're going to do my scalar input. So we're going to get some text from the user using standard input. Chomp the new line. Okay, so the conditional here, we're going to evaluate it. So if the input that the user typed in is equal to UC, which is uppercase input, we're going to do something. Sorry about that. We are going to do something. We're going to print you typed uppercase. Okay, else if that wasn't the case, they typed in lowercase, they're going to get a different message, aren't they? And we're just going to tell them with the print here, you typed lowercase. Okay, now all we have to do is call the program as always upper lower. Okay, let's just save that and let's just run it. Okay, so let's enter some text. Dave, you type lowercase. Okay, let's enter some more text. This time uppercase. Dave, you typed uppercase. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did, and make sure, if you've not done it already, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, drop me a comment, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.